Leia, come. Leia. Leia. Come. Okay, so I'm in the greenhouse right now, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what we have started so far. It's not a lot. Oh my gosh, my fingers are so disgusting, but yeah, I'll show you. So we have quite a bunch of tomatoes growing right there. That stuff is not ours, but this is, and then good morning, guys. It's just another day 2 of farm life, I guess. Farm life. I'm just weeding today. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I didn't show you guys me weeding because it would have been the same exact thing as last time. But I filled up 2 buckets. Yeah, I think I was out here for about like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna dump it in the compost now. Look who's coming. My little cat. 1 bucket. 2nd bucket. So farm work for today is done. I think I did a lot. I look so rubbish. But look what we got here. Hello. Hi guys. Hello. This one loves food, but I'm not food. Oh, he's like, I don't want your... Don't bite my hand, please. Oh, nope. They're all scared. But yeah, I'm gonna go meet my friend in the village today. So I think I'm gonna maybe wash up, do some math homework, and then prepare dinner because I have to cook tonight. Yeah, it feels so good to be outside again. I'm loving it. I hate winter, literally. We could do away with winter. It's like, please, because I like going out and gardening and doing all this stuff. So yeah, guess this will be it. Well, I'm gonna record more, but for now in the garden, peace. Okay guys, so I'm on my 2nd coffee today. I got ready, if you could tell. I hope you could tell. I'm breaking out, so I can't really do much about that. I put no sugar in my coffee because I wanted to like have a real coffee. I don't recommend it. It is good, love it, but still. So I need to pack my bag because I'm gonna ride my bicycle. And I need to go to the store there. So I have my backpack here. And we're gonna like pack it up and stuff. Okay, I have my tote bag. I made this, guys. I don't know, I didn't tell you guys. But I made this tote bag. And I even made pocket on the inside so I can put my phone or my glasses. So really excited about that. I really underestimated how long this would take me. It used to take me only 30 minutes, but I think it's been 40, and I'm exhausted. But we're almost there, so. Okay, so I came back from hanging out with my friend. It was really nice. We had some mochi, sat on a park bench. I went to the store and got these. So good. And then I got this. Oh my god, this is literally my favorite thing ever now. It is so good. And then let's see what else I got. I got some bar soap, some out. Oh, they smell so good. And coconut one. Yeah. I got some face masks because my acne is so bad, and these ones are actually really good. And then this Salt House lotion. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a night walk because it's a full moon, so maybe I'll find a werewolf boyfriend or girlfriend, who knows. Exciting. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Peace. Peace. I hate that. I do it all the time now. When will I stop? I probably won't. But yeah, that's pretty much my past 2 days summed up. So yeah, bye.